Welcome to this 2024 Class 502 restoration update. Since the last update video, the restoration team have been making great progress. The Merseyrail Transport Trust shuffled some of their buses, allowing us to access the unrestored offside of the driving trailer. Work commenced immediately on getting this side of the body restored. We started first on a cab end seating bay by stripping off the rotten bodywork and replacing corroded framework. The steel around the driver's cab door having to wrap around the door frame. The straight top half being easy to form, but the bottom half, curving with the tumble home, having to be curved in two directions. We had the goal to get this bay finished by the 2023 Open Day, which was achieved. Visitors taking advantage of the deep, comfortable seats of the 502, a contrast to the less generous padding on most modern suburban stock. With the Open Day over, we were straight back to work on the final offside middle seating bay. For ease of access, we removed the seats. The worst sections were the door pockets. During the unit's long period of outdoor storage, the gutters had failed, sending cascades of water down each door pocket. This was always a problem, even in British Rail days, as evidenced by the repairs that would have been carried out at Horwich. Repairing this section required cutting back the sound metal, then using pre-shaped sections to rebuild and reinforce the lower door pocket. As a result of the same water damage, some of the sliding door runners were also in a poor state. These were removed and replaced with new ones that we manufactured ourselves. As we have found on the entire carriage, the bottom of the window sills, the so-called Z sections, were badly corroded, and these have all been replaced, together with entirely new panels or small sections depending on the corrosion. With the main bodywork now complete, the windows are reinstalled. Sadly, a number of these were smashed by vandals during its time at T-Bay. Luckily, several spares were recovered from withdrawn units back in 1980, including a number of windows. These spare windows replacing those smashed. Next, the seats are reinstated, but first, new wood panelling is installed. Most of the original damaged by water ingress. Makes a big difference it being in like that.
Smooth.
Do that again.
Because the baby's bum. Nah, it's not worth it.
I don't think so.
Not worth it.
It's
So
in.
if we bolt back in, put the lid on and see if the seat's going.
Two of the 502 team persuade the seats back into their frames, Want to test it? plus the obligatory test for bounciness.
Boing, boing, boing.
That works, yeah. Right, now for the back. Down a bit.
Yeah. This bracket's going to go on top of the bracket there.
We'll sort that out.
Can't be right thing, can it? Is it this? Condition? It's not perfect.
Good.
There you go, that's perfect.
It's in now.
Yeah, but just on the brackets there's...
So very nearly almost.
It's certainly here it's...
The final seat's going in when the doors are back in the door pockets. A recent addition to our small memorabilia section are some items relocated from the Wirral Transport Museum in Taylor Street, Birkenhead. The Class 503 farewell headboard is accompanied by a section of a 1956 built unit donated to us several years ago. Complementing them both is a distance signal. We'll add more to this in the coming months. With the trailer bodywork now done, we'll move out to the motor coach. Some work has already commenced, largely to assess what condition the body is in. As with the trailer, the framework will require renewal in some areas, and pre-formed top hat sections have already been acquired. We have to give a big thank you to all our members and supporters, without whom none of this restoration would be possible. You can help out too by joining the group or making a donation at www.class502.org, or see the links in the description. Remember, if you buy anything from our stall that's out and about during the year, all profits will also go towards the restoration. And don't forget the Merseyrail Transport Trust Open Day, where you can see first hand the work being done to restore the unit to its former glory.